In this video, we'll show how to install the rear brake lines and clutch line. If your car is a manual, start by sliding the clutch line into the tunnel from the front of the chassis. Flex the front end of the clutch line to move it behind the square tubes. Zip tie the rear of the clutch line to the transmission mounting plate. Slide the rear master cylinder line into the tunnel alongside the clutch line. Zip tie the lines to the square tube as shown. Grab the K22B baggie and remove the rear brake tee hardware. Attach the brake tee to the rear of the master cylinder line. Tighten the brake tube nut. It is hard to get to this nut later, so we would like to tighten and loosen the nut a few times to make sure it won't leak later. Twist the line to level the brake tee to the chassis. The line is flexible, so it won't take much force. Attach the tee to the chassis with the K22B hardware. Use a 5/32 Allen and a 7/16 wrench to tighten the hardware. Loosely install the passenger side brake line into the brake tee. Zip tie the line to the frame rail. Do the same with the driver's side line. Make sure the clutch line is above the brake line as shown. Tighten the rear brake lines in the tee. Slip a piece of edge trim from the K22B baggie onto the fuel tank rail. Then use a 5/8 coated clamp to attach the line to the rail. Use a 1/4 inch clamp to attach the brake line to the frame rail. Repeat this process for the other rear brake line. For manual cars, install a 3/8 coated clamp from K22D at the front of the chassis. Automatic cars will use a 1/4 inch coated clamp from the K22B.